Welcome to Small Serenity Studio. Let's make perfect strawberry crochet. This is what it will look like. You will need medium weight size 4 yarn in red, green, and cream, a 3.5mm crochet, yarn needle, scissors, and stuffing. Start with making 6 single crochets in a magic ring. Make a single crochet followed by an increasing stitch. Repeat 2 more times. You should have a total of 9 stitches in this round. Make 2 single crochets followed by an increasing stitch. Then repeat it 2 times, making a total of 12 stitches in this round. Make 3 single crochets followed by an increasing stitch. Repeat 2 times, making a total of 15 stitches in this round. Make 4 single crochets followed by an increasing stitch. Repeat 2 times, making a total of 18 stitches in this round. Make 2 single crochets followed by an increasing stitch. Repeat 5 times, making a total of 24 stitches in this round. Single crochets the entire round. Make another round with only single crochets. The strawberry is starting to take shape. Make 2 single crochets followed by a decreasing stitch. Repeat 5 times, making a total of 18 stitches in this round. Make a single crochet followed by a decreasing stitch. Repeat 5 times, making a total of 12 stitches in this round. Stuff the strawberry. Finish the body of the strawberry with decreasing stitches all the way around. Finish off and cut the yarn. Thread the end through the needle and sew in the tail. We have finished the body of the strawberry. Use cream yarn and sew the seeds onto the strawberry. Starting from the 3rd row from the bottom, make a seed every 3 stitches apart, making a total of 4 seeds. Move to the 5th row from the bottom. Make a seed every 3 stitches apart, making a total of 6 seeds. Oops, I pulled too hard and it went flying. Move to the 7th row from the bottom. Make a seed every 4 stitches apart, making a total of 6 seeds. Make sure to stagger the seeds so that they do not align vertically. Finally, move to the 9th row from the bottom. Make a seed every 3 stitches apart, making a total of 6 seeds. Cut off the yarn. Roll the strawberry between your hands to even out the stuffing inside. Now we make the strawberry stem. Use green yarn. Make 6 single crochets in a magic circle. Join the circle. Chain 4. Start from the second chain from the hook. Make 3 single crochets. Slip stitch into the next stitch to finish the first leaf. Repeat chain 4 followed by 3 single crochets. Cut off the yarn and leave a long tail so that we can sew the greens onto the top of the strawberry. Align the center of the leaves with the top of the strawberry. Sometimes it can be a little hard to find. Tie up the 2 ends of the yarn and sew them in. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please leave a comment below if you'd like me to make a tutorial of something else. Finished! These strawberries look delicious! You can also check out my Etsy store for more patterns.